it's cold, huh? We gotta warm up this motorcycle. Here, you wanna go forward? What the? You like it? Say, what the? What? What the? Are you my motorcycle girl? As soon as your head's big enough, I'll take you for a ride because you have to have on a helmet. Right now, your head's not big enough for a helmet. Oh, that's the gas tank. You like it? You wanna go riding? You wanna go riding? We're gonna go riding? Yeah, we're gonna go riding as soon as your head's big enough and your neck is stronger. Weather in Texas is like nice. It finally warmed up. It may not stay warm, but right now it's nice. Right, Natalie? Is that right, Natalie? We're gonna go riding? Okay. All right, y'all